Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Emily, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this yarn wall decoration idea. Let's get on with the video. What you will need for this DIY is 2 hoops of 2 different sizes. I used a metal embroidery hoop for the big hoop and a metal bracelet for the smaller hoop, but you can use whatever you would like. You will also need scissors, 1 or more colors of yarn, and something that you can wrap the yarn around like a book or a piece of cardboard. The first thing you want to do is to wrap the yarn you want to use for the bigger hoop around a book or a piece of cardboard about 100 or more times, or you can just cut as much as you will need. After you are done wrapping the yarn, you want to cut one end of all the loops. Then you want to separate the yarn into 5 strands of yarn or more. It just depends on how you want the yarn to look like while it's on the hoop. Now you want to take the yarn and fold it in half. You take the middle part of the yarn and place it under the hoop, and then you want to take the tails and pull them through the loop to create a knot. You want to continue to do the same steps until you like how it looks. I made about 9 more of these, so there is 10 on the hoop. For the smaller hoop, you just want to follow the same steps as the bigger hoop, but you want to make the yarn shorter than the yarn on the bigger hoop by wrapping around a smaller book, or you can just cut the yarn shorter. And you can also use a different color of yarn if you want. I made 7 of these. Now you want to take another piece of yarn from any of the colors of yarn that you used. I used the same color of yarn that's on the smaller hoop. You want to tie the hoops together at the top of the hoops with the yarn into a knot. Then you want to make a loop and tie another knot like this so the decoration can hang on a wall, or you could just use the hoops instead of making a loop with the yarn. All you have to do now is to hang it on a wall and trim the excess yarn off, and you can form the yarn into a shape like a triangle, or you can use the shape of the hoops to create your shape, and then you will be finished with this decoration. And that's how you make this yarn wall decoration idea. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about this decoration idea, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Bye!